Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina and today is Should It Stay or Should It Go? Yes, that fun little game we play where I show you 2 items of clothing from my closet that I have purchased in the past and now I'm trying to decide if they still fit, if they still flatter, or if I want to pass them on to someone else. So here are my 2 tops that we are going to be picking through today. Now this one is BEPEI. BEPEI. I actually got this off of Amazon, and I know I've talked to y'all about how I'm gonna have my buddy pick stuff out for me. We're gonna do a haul through Amazon that way. Well, she was sending me a few options last night, or maybe it was the night before. Anyway, this was one of the options that she sent me, and I was like, I've bought that top before. I think she had picked a different color out, but this is a very flattering top. I just think it's going to be too big for me now because it is a 2X. It has this zipper here to zip up, if I can zip it. I do like a zipper. It makes it edgy fun. It has the little faux pockets. It does have tab sleeves, which are not always my favorite, but the lines on this were so nice. I really do like it. I didn't wear it near as much as I should have. I'll go back through Amazon later and see what I actually paid for it, but as you can tell, it is still in brand new condition. I did wear it, but only a couple times before I lost all the weight. This is 95 polyester and 5 spandex. Wash dark colors separately is what it says. You can't dry it, so we just hung it up to dry it. Anyway, that is top number 1. Of course, I will try this stuff on for you so you can tell me what you think of it. The second top, man, this thing was worn like crazy by me. This is from Maurices. It is also a 2X, and it's tunic length. It's long, and I loved that. I loved it. Now, it's also interesting. Well, no, it does have buttons all the way up. I just never buttoned it past right here. I always let it just hang like that and wore it with leggings. It does look like it needs an iron. It definitely looks worn, but this was so comfortable, and honestly, stuff like this I still wear when I get cold. But we'll try it on. We'll see if you think I should keep it or get rid of it. I loved it so much. So much. So cute. Anyway, so those are the 2 tops. I don't know that I can go back and tell you how much this one cost, but I think I can look back that far on Amazon to see that one. Maurice's only keeps a history for like 2 years, so I think it's over 2 years old. What do y'all think? Is this fun? Do y'all enjoy these videos where I'm trying on stuff from my closet? I'm having to tighten the belt. You know, Christmas is coming and I've really overdone it. So this is my way to keep content coming to y'all as much as I possibly can and get y'all's opinion, because y'all's opinion sways me so very much. Y'all are my influencers, okay? I hate to call myself an influencer. I like to be called a sharer because I like to share my life with y'all and what I get and things, and I love y'all to share with me. So this will be fun. I would love it if you press all those lovely YouTube buttons. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and I really would appreciate it if you'd give this video a thumbs up, press the notification bell, share with your friends, and if you haven't subscribed yet, I would really appreciate it if you do. Subscribing to my channel is free, and thank you so very much. And if you want to donate to your creator, there's 2 ways to do that now. You can use the Super Thanks, which goes through YouTube. It gives me less of a percentage than the Buy Me a Coffee or Buy Me Coffee page does. That's also like leaving a tip if you want to do the Buy Me a Coffee, where I get 95% of the tip instead of 70 something. I can't even remember what. YouTube takes a portion of that, just so you know. So if you want to buy me a coffee instead, there is a link below for that. I will also put my Poshmark link down there. I haven't posted anything yet, but some of the stuff is probably gonna go to Poshmark, whatever we decide that should go, unless my bestie buys it. Then it might not make it to Poshmark. But anyway, I'll see y'all back in a second. Y'all, thank you so very much for spending part of your day with me. I really appreciate it. And if you are new, welcome, welcome. See you in a minute. Alright, so since we're just doing tops today, I didn't put you back as far as I normally do because I'd have to move a whole bunch of stuff. And I don't have time for all that today. So this is my outfit for today. I am wearing this cute little pumpkin top that I got from Maurices. My jeans are, that's a good question. My jeans are Democracy jeans. They're just a cute little utility jean. Not even a full length. Alright, let's try these clothes on. I'm actually really happy I can still pull this one off. I think it still looks good. What do y'all think? I think this would look great with those new boots that I'm going to keep. They're kind of edgy. It also came from Amazon. And this shirt comes in so many different colors, y'all. I will link it below. It will be an affiliate link. But man, is it not cute? I love vertical stripes. They make you look so much better than a horizontal stripe. Why they don't send us more vertical stripe stuff is beyond me. But what do y'all think? Do y'all think it's too big? Let me know below. Alright, so normally when I wore this one, it was more like PJ, overshirt type thing. And this is part of the reason why, because I don't like to button this button because it does this. I can't unbutton that button right now though because I don't have anything on underneath it. I would normally wear a tank or something underneath it if I was going to wear it like this as a tunic shirt. I just wanted to button one button so you could see. I mean, should I retire this shirt or should I just keep wearing it almost like I would a robe, which is pretty much what I've been doing. It does show a lot of wear on it. It's very well loved and it definitely needs an ironing. What do y'all think? Comment below, let me know. Would you wear it out like this? This one caught me by surprise, y'all. I really didn't expect this shirt to still look good on me, but I kind of think it did. Do you think I should keep it or should I let it go? And what about the worn and very loved shirt from Maurices? Should I keep it? I don't know if I'd wear it out. It's just looking a little worn to me, but maybe for still around the house, like a house coat. I might still keep it for that, but would y'all wear it out? What would y'all do? Let me know below. Comment. Say, hey, just wear it a house coat because it's such a soft material and it's comfy. Or, no, girl, get rid of it. You don't need to wear it all the time. Let me know what you think. I'm so excited to hear y'all's opinions about these. I need all the help I can get. If it was up to my husband, I think he would have me put every piece of clothing in my closet up for sale and see if any of it got sold. I'm very curious to see what y'all think. This one, I don't know. I just like this shirt. I don't know what this shirt, why it appeals to me so much, but I think it just makes, my lines look good. Am I crazy? Do I have the ring light eyes? Y'all, let me know. I appreciate y'all spending part of your day with me. I hope the rest of it is wonderful, and God bless.